Did you know that every atom heavier than helium in the universe was created inside stars? Let's explore how these cosmic furnaces forge the building blocks of planets, life, and even technology. The universe began with mostly hydrogen and helium. Stars form when clouds of gas collapse under gravity, igniting nuclear fusion that fuses lighter elements into heavier ones. In the cores of massive stars, helium burns to form carbon and oxygen. As stars age, layers of different elements fuse outward from the core, creating heavier elements like neon and silicon. Elements heavier than iron are formed in supernova explosions or neutron star mergers. These violent events can create precious metals like gold, as well as radioactive elements such as technetium. Technetium, with atomic number 43, is one of only 2 elements below uranium that has no stable isotopes. It's found in trace amounts on Earth and is primarily produced artificially. The periodic table of elements is a testament to stellar evolution and the end stages of stars. Without these cosmic processes, life as we know it would be impossible. Every atom in your body that's not hydrogen or helium came from a star. From the oxygen you breathe to the iron in your blood, we are all made of stardust. So there you have it, every heavy element in the universe has a stellar origin story. What aspect of this cosmic process fascinates you most? Share your thoughts in the comments.